moves for one tradition.
We're making bánh chưng properly, the Phú Thọ way.
First quest, the perfect leaves.
Thick, glossy, untorn. These will hold the soul of the cake.
Even the stems get attention. Every detail matters.
Next, sticky rice that clings like family.
And mung beans, creamy, sweet, quietly powerful.
This cut is perfect, beautifully balanced, fat and lean.
Yes, it looks very fresh. I'll take this piece.
Pork belly, rich but not too heavy.
These Thais don't forgive sloppy hands.
Ingredients gathered. Now the real work begins.
Cháu chào bà.
Cháu ngồi xuống đây.
In Phú Thọ, bánh chưng starts with elders' hands. Wash the leaves until they smell like pure green.
A clean leaf means a clean flavor.
Everything prepped because boiling lasts all night.
Beans first, soft enough to crush into velvet.
Nghiền bằng sự kiên nhẫn, không phải vũ lực.
Simple seasoning, so the rice and leaf can shine.
This rice is ready to lock in the story.
Now, square by square, we build Tet.
Corners first. If corners fail, everything fails. A flat base, like a steady home.
Bean layer, creamy calm in the middle.
Pork tucked in, hidden warmth for the long boil.
Balance is everything. Too much rice and it turns heavy.
Watch her hands. This is muscle memory.
Tight enough to hold, gentle enough to breathe.
You don't make one, you make enough to share.
So they don't dance around.
Underwater the whole time. That's
Keep the heat steady, like keeping a promise.
Bánh chưng tượng trưng cho lòng biết ơn của mình, gói trong lá.
Even the strings taste of smoke and time.
All night you watch, so morning can be perfect.
When the pot keeps singing, Tet is truly near.
If the water drops, the texture breaks.
Clean boil, clean.
Good firewood is half the recipe.
Hình vuông tượng trưng cho đất, hình dáng này mang ý nghĩa sâu sắc.
Time drips and flavors deepen.
Submerged, always, no shortcuts.
She checks by sound, like a musician.
This is the moment we've earned.
Listen, each drip is the night letting go. Pressing makes the square hold its pride.
A bright, sharp partner.
A little sourness cuts the richness.
This is the Northern Trio.
This smell is the whole season.
Perfect layers, no gaps.
Sticky, creamy, rich, then leaf perfume.
Yeah. It tastes better when everyone's here.
In Phú Thọ, you gift the effort.
Next stop, the neighbors.
Chúc mừng năm mới.
Cháu cảm ơn, chúc bà nhiều sức khỏe.
Sharing is part of the recipe.
No two squares are exactly the same.
By now, the whole province smells like leaves.
Bánh của bạn đây, cảm ơn.
Fast hands, same old tradition.
Bánh này làm sao ngon vậy chị?
Đây là công thức gia truyền đó em.
Everyone has their own correct method.
A good bánh chưng looks disciplined.
Before we eat, we remember.
Gratitude first.
This texture is the whole night condensed.
That snap, exactly what the fat needs.
This is why we stay up all night.
Kept cool, it lasts through many visits.
In the north, this square is a promise kept.
Next, we follow how families eat it across the days of Tet. Rich, sharp, clean, perfect balance.
That snap.
Simple but unforgettable.
To understand bánh chưng, start with rice.
Gạo nếp này nuôi sống cả truyền thống của chúng ta.
Patience in liquid form.
Leaves don't just wrap, they flavor. These ties hold the square together.
Strong, flexible, like the people here.
In Phú Thọ, it's a community craft.
Same steps, 100 different hands.
The tradition gets passed.
corner by corner.
One pot can feed many homes.
The boil must stay steady.
Begins with măng khô.
Thin strips soak up broth.
Warm, savory, made for cold mornings.
This is a Phú Thọ Tết table.
Broth resets you, then you go back in.
Quiet flavors, deep comfort.
Chúng con chào bà.
Các cháu vào đi.
Visits are powered by Banh Chung.
Wrapped again so it travels safely.
The square moves from house to house.
Thôi con đi cần thay vùng con.
Always cut for sharing.
Hạt gạo phải săn, thơm thoang thoảng, nhân phải đều.
You can taste craftsmanship. It isn't one meal, it's many moments.
By day 3, flavor settles deeper. Tight wrap keeps the texture true.
Thin slices so you taste leaf and rice first.
The lad carries the night smoke.
Banh Chung lives inside local materials.
Food keeps memories edible.
Nothing wasted, everything respected.
Clean again, ready to serve another purpose.
Over soup feels special this week.
Steam brings back softness without oil.
After the feast, comfort remains.
When the fire rests, the story lingers.
Traditions don't teach with words alone. One last cube, traveling beyond the village. A cake carries a message.
Leaving feels like untying a knot.
But the flavor follows you.
In the city, the square becomes a bridge.
Still green. Still fragrant.
Same bite, different place.
Bà, it tastes like home.
for those who taught us.
So the tradition doesn't blur. A leaf becomes a bookmark.
Rich, sharp, warm, green.
A square cake that keeps families together.
If you learn one thing, learn the corners.
What's your family's Banh Chung story?
Happy Tet from Phú Thọ to you.